All right, we're just going to walk around the nursery here. They have like a plant showcase area at the nursery, so it's a really cool area for people to come browse and kind of get a sense of what Taylor's has to offer. So like looking over here, we have this Ligustrum. It's an evergreen wax leaf ligustrum. This one's actually called recurvifolium, which is one of our all-time favorites because of this real curly Q action in the foliage. Deep green machine for your landscape designs. But you know, that new foliage turns out a little bit hyper green, light green. Excellent for screening those nasty neighbors. All right, so this is an old school plant here, great for shade, Pieris. This is very unique, very Japanese garden looking for specimens in your landscape design. Has these cool white brackle type flowers that come out every once a year. This is a cool big one, Elysium. So big, huge, brawly, upright evergreen. And this is the one, Blake, if you snap the foliage in half like that, woo, black licorice is what you're smelling.
Oh yeah.
So those are really cool. Those are in coastal communities as well, so it'll tolerate some good salty air. This is cool, upright, green, Japanese maple, so your green foliage. This thing grows very quickly to a height of, says there, about 15. Another killer part sun, part shade is this hemlock. So these are really cool to bring that mountain, that patio, outdoor fireplace, real mountainy type scene. This will really translate well as a backdrop plant. More Japanese maples. So this is a native to North Carolina cherry laurel. This is a nice evergreen, tolerate part shade, rocky clay soil. It'll adapt to fairly well. We've all seen and loved this big guy, Wax Myrtle. Wow, smell that. I wish we had smell-o-vision. It's amazing. Kind of what a lemony zest. Let's see, this is an old-time favorite, variegated privets. So it's kind of loosey-goosey now, but the more you prune it, the more dense it'll be. Makes a great large hedge. Gets up pretty big and bulky. Compacta hollies over here to the left. Another great large-scale specimen and or hedge. So you can get those to grow together. All right, and then we have plenty of camellias, of course. So many varieties: Greensboro Red, Snow Flurry, Yuletide, Setsuki. And we covered Kenjiro before. This is cool, wintergreen boxwoods. And then, you know, you have Steed's holly next to it. See how close the foliage, it's not necessarily the color, but the shape. People have a hard time discerning what's a boxwood versus a holly. Normally, if you look on the back of the leaf, you'll find that boxwoods have a margin down the center that's a little more whitish and fuzzy looking than the hollies. The hollies are going to be more translucent and thinner. It's hard to see here, but that's one way to tell the difference between a boxwood and a holly. Very unique ornamental foliage on this one, and it's a type of Mohania that we saw earlier, but this one's called Soft Caress. Very cool. Got some drift roses, azaleas, abelia over there. Here's some more formal traditional roses. that can really add the wow factor in your landscapes. Coming into some large growing gardenia. Got some shrub roses here, more of the knockout series. Got the tutti frutti butterfly bushes. Yeah. And here's another little low butterfly called Pugster Blue. Only gets 2 to 3 feet. That's really cool. So Sedum Autumn Joy, we use these as perennials in our landscape designs. They're really cool because they have that fall flower coming in. Really nice perennial there. Got the Fire Chief. This is a cool one, Blake. So this is Flirtin' Andina. So we use this one more often because of that plum and burgundy top it grows. Super cool foliage. Let's go look at this juniper over here. This is so cool. I love the color of this one. This is Angelica blue junipers. 3 to 5 foot and full sun. Man, look at that. Almost looks like gray owl juniper, but doesn't get as big as gray owl.
Has like the same tint as like a blue one.
Yeah, just so cool. Often it leans on the gray coloring, so it's really stark contrast to our typical green foliage stuff out there. But anyway, so many plants, so little time. See you guys next time.